So we have seen how to compute the population, future population using the arithmetical average method. So now we'll see how we compute the population using the geometrical average method. So we'll consider the same problem that we considered earlier. So how will we compute the population by using the geometrical average method? So we know that the geometrical increase method, or the uniform increase method as it is called, in this method we are considering that the percentage increase in the population from decade to decade is a constant, unlike the earlier method where we consider that the increase in population from decade to decade is a constant. So compared to the earlier method, that is arithmetical method, we get higher values in the case of geometrical increase method. So here Pn is equal to Po into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n, where R represents the growth rate in percentage. So R may be computed as by using two expressions as shown below, but now we will be using the second expression where R is equal to nth root of R1 into R2 into so on. So R1, R2, R3 etc. represents the percentage increase in the population. So we are going to consider the same problem as earlier. Suppose the population of 5 decades from 1930 to 1970 is given as shown below. We have to find out the population after 1, 2 and 3 decades beyond the last known decade by using the geometrical increase method. So here again we are going to tabulate the given values as shown here. The first column comprises of the year, in the second column the population, the third column again the increase in population, and here we have an additional column wherein we will be computing the percentage increase in the population. So as you see here, how do we compute the percentage increase in the population? So here you can see in the year 1930 the population is 25,000. And in the year 1940 the population is 28,000, and we know that for that particular decade the increase in population is 3,000. So if the increase in population is 3,000, by how much percentage has the population increased from 1930 to 1940? So how will you find that? So in order to find that, we have to know what is the increase in population, that is 3,000, divided by from where has the population risen. In 1930 it was 25,000. So that will be, we will be computing the percentage increase based on the value of population given, that is in 1930. So 3,000 divided by 25,000 into 100, that is the percentage increase in population for the decade from 1930 to 1940. So that is 12%. Likewise, for the next decade, that is 1940 to 1950. In 1940, the population is 28,000. In 1950, it is 34,000. So the increase in population for that decade is 6,000. So what will be the percentage increase in population? So it will be 6,000 divided by the population in the year 1940, that is 28,000 into 100. So that is 21.4%. Similarly, we will be computing the percentage increase in population for the next 2 decades, that is between 1950 and 1960 and 1960 and 1970. So here we obtained the percentage increase in population, that is R1, R2, R3 and R4. So now in order to determine the growth rate, that is R, so we know R is equal to nth root of R1 into R2 into so on up to Rn. So here n represents the number of decades. So we have found the percentage increase for 4 decades. So here n is equal to 4, and R1, R2, R3 and R4 are as computed in the previous slide. I have shown you the fourth column. We have computed R1, R2 and R3 and R4. So the value of R, that is the growth rate, can be computed as 4th root of R1 into R2 into R3 into R4, which is 16.37%. So how will you find the future population by the geometrical method? So it is obtained by Pn is equal to Po into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n. So population after 1 decade beyond 1970 will be, that is after 1 decade means in the year 1980, that will be equal to P, that is the present population 1970, into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n. So n represents the number of decades, that is 1, and here in 1970 the population is 47,000 into 1 plus R is 16.37 divided by 100. So from 1970 to 1980 it is 1 decade. So we obtained the population in 1980 as 54,694. Similarly for the second decade and the third decade. So population after 3 decades beyond 1970, that is in the year 2000, is equal to present population, that is 47,000 into 1 plus, again R is the same, divided by 100 the whole raised to the number of decades, that is 3 decades. So you obtain the value as 74,066. So I hope it is clear. So this is how we compute the population for future decades by using the geometrical average method. Thank you.